Guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? Hope everyone is doing okay. Hope everyone day can't wait. So guys, thank you for tuning in once again to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, if this is the first time you're seeing this face, thank you so much for coming. Please don't hesitate to click that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post any new video. And to my amazing subscribers that keeps coming back, I say thank you so much. I wouldn't have done this without you. Thank you so much and God bless. So in today's video, I am going to be making roasted plantain with pomo sauce. The cow skin sauce. Very, very delicious. I actually made this yesterday. And this is why I am making this video today. I actually made it yesterday. We ate it yesterday. But it wasn't enough for my hubby. He said, how can you make this such a delicious meal and you made half chop? He said I made half chop. So guys, I promised him I was going to make another one today. So I said I will film it and show you guys also because I believe it will help someone. You know, not that people don't know it, but sometimes if you watch people's video, you remember something maybe you have forgotten, or a meal you haven't eaten for some time, and you remember it and you would want to make it and eat. It happens to me sometimes also. So that's why I'm making this video. So guys, stay tuned. So here I have my ingredients for what I want to make. Here I have my ripe plantain. Is between ripe and unripe, but it's more ripe than unripe. Okay, I have my ripe plantain here. I have my tomato, I have my pepper, I have my cow skin, my pomo here is already washed. I have my onions here. I have my paprika or red bell pepper as it's called, also my pot. And then I have this my seasoning here, very nice for sauce. And then I have my knorr cube. And then of course water, which I'm going to be using. So right now I'm going to go ahead and cook the cow skin. I'll just put it on the burner and then I'll start washing and cutting the plantain. So guys, without too much waste of time, let's get into it. So right now I want to start cooking the cow skin. It's already washed. I'm just going to pour it into the pot. Add my water. And then I'm just inside the cow skin. I'm adding just a little thyme. Just a little thyme. Just a little. I'm not going to be adding much seasoning into it because it's going right into the main thing. And then a little salt also. So I'm going to leave it here to cook while I go wash my plantain, dry it, cut it open, and then put it into the oven. So let's go. So right now I'm turning on my oven so it can be warming up while I cut the plantain. Guys, so as you can see, I am done with the plantain. Now I want to give it a kind of a mark like this, kind of stretch mark. You give the plantain some stretch mark, okay? Just mark all over the body so that it can get done inside also. So this is basically how I'm going to do all of them. plantain, but I'm gonna allow the oven to heat up a little bit before I put it in. I'm just gonna allow it to like give it 2 minutes more to heat up, and then I'll put it inside. So guys, the plantain has gone in already. So I want to cut this thing. I want to wash it, remove the seed inside, and then blend with my tomato and pepper. I'm going to blend it with my tomato and pepper. Okay guys, so our plantain is still in the oven and the pomo is still cooking. I want it to be really soft. Okay, so right now I want to start frying the tomato and the paprika. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention my red oil. I'll be using red oil for this recipe. You can use groundnut oil if you want, but I prefer to use red oil. The one I made yesterday, it was really delicious, so I want to use red oil. Okay, I will recommend red oil actually. Okay, so let's go on with the frying. Please guys, I need this place to be closed. Okay, thank you. Leave there, Diopa. You add the quantity that will be enough for you to fry your tomato. It depends on how much your tomato is. Like this one is okay for me, for the quantity that I have. My red oil is finished. Thank God I still have enough to use for now. So I'm gonna leave the oil to heat up, and then I'll pour in my onions and then the tomato I blended. Look at it here. So I'll just give the oil time to heat up. Okay guys, so the oil is hot already. I'm just going to go ahead and pour in my onions. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing very well. Then I'll allow the onions to fry also. Don't forget to always check on your plantain, because at a point you have to turn it over for the other side to get done. Okay? Ooh. It smells so good, guys. Like the smell alone, God, it smells so good. The one I made yesterday, I made it with 4 plantains, guys. 4 plantains. And when my hubby came back, after when we were still eating, it was like, I hope the sauce is still remaining. Because he was eating, it was like, it's sweet, So he asked me if the sauce is still remaining. I told him yes, that is still remaining. So he went and packed the remaining one, because then I was already done eating. Okay, so he went and packed the remaining sauce. And so now I'll be adding the tomato. Then give it a stir. I'm going to be adding a little salt at this point. Just a little salt for now. Because salt helps tomato to dry faster. So that's why I'm adding salt now. I'll be adding my spices later. So when my hubby looked into the plate and he saw that it was remaining only 1 pomo, he was like, "Chai, oh, and it's remaining only 1 pomo." I laughed yesterday. I was just looking at him like, "Are you kidding me?" He loved it, but guys, it was so delicious. Trust me, it was so delicious. Yesterday was the very first time I made it, and it came out so good. So because I promised my hubby I was going to make another one for him today, that's why I am making this today again. Okay guys, so if you haven't tried it with, I know most people do it with fish, fried fish. If you haven't tried this with pomo, try it guys. Make sure the pomo is really soft. Fry your tomato to be very dry. Roast your plantain and you will come and thank me. Honestly, it's so nice. Sweet mouth. Hubby said I made half chop yesterday. He was saying it till he slept off. He said, how can you make half chop? You made half chop. That's thing that is delicious. You made half chop. And this afternoon, he still said it. He said, you made half chop yesterday. So, right now I have 6 plantain in the oven. Let me see how many he's going to eat so that he won't tell me again that I made half chop. I made 4 plantains yesterday. He said I made half chop. Now I have 6 plantain. Okay, I will say 5.5 because one of the plantain was bad, so I had to cut it off. So I have 5.5 plantain in the oven. Let me see how he's going to eat it. Oh my goodness. So we are just going to leave this to dry very well. But make sure you're watching it. And then here is our pomo still cooking. I'm still going to add a little water to the pomo so it can cook more, because I'm not adding it yet. So I'm just going to add a little water once again. Okay guys, so now the tomato is drying and my plantain is almost ready, so I'm just going to go ahead and add my seasoning now. You can actually add your seasoning anytime you want, from the beginning when you put the pot down. Not when you put the pot down, no, please. Oh my goodness. I added salt before, so I'm going to check it before I add more salt. And I'm using just this 1 cube. For now, the taste is perfect, very perfect. So I'll go ahead and check the pomo. If it's soft the way I want, then I will pour it inside and still give this time to dry very well. So guys, my pomo is ready. The cow skin, it's ready. I'm not going to be adding the water. I still have little water inside, but I'm not going to be adding it. So I'm just going to remove it from the water and add to the pot here. This one is almost dry, but the oil is coming up already. This smoke is really disturbing my camera, honestly. It's blurring my video. pomo is in already. Look at that, guys. Isn't that looking good? Stir everything together. Look at that, guys. Isn't that looking good? If you haven't tried this recipe, you need to give it a try. It's so good and delicious and very easy to make. It doesn't take time at all. Very easy. Look at that, guys. And it's so delicious. So guys, that's it for this recipe. I'm going to be turning off my burner. Oh, I already turned it off. As you guys can see, it's very easy to make and it's so delicious, guys. The taste is perfect. I'm not adding anything anymore. The salt, the spices, they are okay. So I'm gonna remove it from this side of the burner and bring it to this side. Okay, guys, my plantain is almost ready. Guys, our food is ready. Isn't that looking awesome? I can't wait to eat this, guys. Honestly, look at the plantain. It smells so good, and the sauce, it smells so good. Just imagine how the taste will be. So we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video some thumbs up, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let me go and download this. And I also have fresh fruit juice I'm going to be using to download this. If you haven't tried carrot and apple, you are missing. It's so nice. So that's what I'm going to be using to wash this down. See you guys in my next video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.